So let's go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to use ChatGPT to create something simple and useful, not something complex, just a small problem we can solve fast. So we're going to ask it to give me a website idea for me to design and generate to test with AI. Please give me a unique website idea so that it is all unique and personally generated. He gave us an idea called Life Path Simulator, a website where users explore alternate versions of their life based on different decisions. Core concept, users input key details about themselves, but the thing that the AI doesn't understand right here is that he thinks we're making a SaaS, but I just want to design a beautiful website so that you could do this for other businesses, like local businesses around your area, and you could get profit from it. So I'm gonna say again, please just generate me a simple business idea, just a website with one screen only, not a SaaS or a form type of website. So he called it Today's Perspective, a minimalist one-page website that shows one powerful AI-generated perspective, shifting thought per day. That one's interesting. This one's an interesting idea. Extremely simple to build. 5 years today will feel either like a step forward or a mischance. So I'm going to copy this entire prompt and we're going to give it to Claude Code. Command C. Okay, now we're in Claude Code. So before we do any of this, first of all, you need to generate a file that's an empty folder actually that is for Claude Code to generate the website into. So I'm gonna go into my file explorer and I'm gonna create the correct file and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our folder created, we're gonna go into the terminal application. So this can be a terminal on Windows or Mac. Mac, it's called just the terminal. So what we want to do is open the Finder and then take your folder. No, actually go into your terminal and type git init and then space, and then drag your folder to the terminal, and then click again, and then click enter. Now it initialized an empty Git repository in that folder so that Claude can edit that folder and generate your website for you. So now we're going to go back to the Claude desktop app. Okay, so now we're back in the desktop app of Claude, and now we need to check this option right here. It is very important, and right now it says local, which is the correct option, but if you have it in default cloud environment, this is not going to work. It's going to use an existing GitHub repository that is already created. So you're going to click local, leave the work tree option just turned off. It's just if you want to work on multiple tasks at the same time. So we're going to click select folder, choose a different folder, and then we're going to go to the desktop. We're going to click the folder we just created, and then we're going to click open. And now he has the folder. Claude has the folder. So now we can start on our prompt, and we could paste the ChatGPT prompt we had before. Okay, so I have the prompt copied, but first, before you paste anything, you need a small introduction in the prompt box. So we're just gonna say, please generate me a very, very good website that has lots of animations, professional design, and has a minimal layout. Use unique fonts to make it original and unique. And I'm gonna say, please make for websites value like a $10,000 website. This is just so that it makes the website higher quality. And then I'm just gonna say, please don't make the website too crowded, and make it minimal with a sleek design. And then I'm gonna say, here is the global prompt for this website. And then scroll back up, check if you have the prompt ready. And then I'm gonna say, please do your best. And then that's just so it ensures it makes maximum thinking and everything. Make sure this is on auto accept edits so that it automatically does things for you, but it might not work for terminal commands that he's gonna do. So now we're gonna enter this prompt. And then I'm gonna say trust workspace. That's just so that Claude just make sure you trust in Claude editing your folder. So click trust workspace. And now it's started. And you might have a pop-up too that says Claude would like to access files in your desktop folder. Just click allow and it will just work right away. So now it is working, and I will get back to you when it's fully finished. Okay, our website is generated. And the way we could preview this is by clicking preview right here. And look at that. This is an amazing looking website, but we did say one page, but it did turn out really, really good. It has all these functionalities and animations, and the font and design is very, very unique. So let's just say make more pages, like I can scroll down the website like a real website. So then he's gonna do that, and it's gonna update the preview automatically while it's editing it, because it's your local folder, and when it's your local host or local folder, it edits automatically. So I will get back when he finished that. Okay, it finished the website, and now I could fully scroll down in the website. It looks very, very nice. It doesn't look AI generated like all the other websites. Look, it even has hover animations. Very, very, very nice. Looks very professional. And I like what it did with the design. And it has everything you need. It even has a copyright thing at the bottom. And overall, this is very good. So this was the tutorial of how to make a website using Claude Code and ChatGPT. And that will be it for this video. But if you want to see how to host it on your own domain, please comment down below if you want to see that next video.